find the value of D. In this two-line series, at first you have to understand the sequence of the first series, okay, and then you have to follow the sequence and find the values of A, B, C, D with the same sequence. Okay, so now let us try to find the sequence of the first series. Okay, so here the first series is 4, 14, 36, 1 and 114 and 460. Okay, now you have to understand the sequence of the series 4 and then 14. Here it is very obvious, very clear that it has been got from 4 by adding 4 into 1 plus 10, that is into 1 and plus 10. Okay, 4 has been multiplied by 1 and then we have added 10. Okay, then you will get 14, and from 14 here you have to multiply it by 2 and then added 8. Okay, so it will be 14 into 2, that is 28, plus 8, that will be 36. Look the sequence, it is alternate sequence. Okay, and the next term from this 136, from this 36 it will be multiplied by 3 and then it will be added by 6, because it is 1, 2, 3, it will be increased by 1, and the 10, 8, 6 it will be decreased by 2. Okay, multiplication will be increased by 1, 2 and 3, and this portion 10, 8, 6 it will be decreased by 2. Okay, so this one will be 3 into 36, that should be 108 plus 6, that is 114. Okay, this one. So the trend is that plus into 1 plus 10, into 2 plus 8, into 3 plus 6, and the next one should be into 4 plus 4. Okay, okay, and the next one should be into 5 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay, so if you get the A, then the A should be A should be into 1 and plus 10, so 2 into 1 plus 10. Okay, and the A should be 2 plus 10, that will be 12. Clear? And the B should be into 2 plus 8, that is 12 into 2 plus 8. Okay, that should be 24 plus 8, that is 32. Okay, and next C will be 32 into 3 and plus 6 with the same sequence, plus into 1 plus 10, into 2 plus 8, into 1 plus 10, then into 2, multiplied by 2 and plus 8, multiplied by 2 and plus 8, and then multiplied by 3 and plus 6, multiplied by 3 plus 6. Okay, so it will be 96 plus 6. Okay, 102, and next finally our answer, that should be 102 into this one, into 4 plus 4. Okay, multiplied by 4 and then adding 4. Okay, so it should be 102 into 4, that is 408. Okay, plus 4, and that should be 412. Okay, this is the final answer. The question was that find the value of D. So the D is 412. Okay, clear? So in this 2-line series, the first thing is that you have to find the sequence of the first series. Okay, here I have found the sequence of the first series, that is multiplied by 1 and plus 10, multiplied by 2 plus 8, into 3 plus 6, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 2, etc. And I have applied the same sequence. I have applied this same sequence in the next series to find A, B, C, D. Okay, and you have noticed this very easily. So if you have any problem, you can ask me, and thank you for watching it. Thank you very much.